Layer 1, the physical layer. Pretty simple, just the cable. This layer is one of the easiest layers to grasp. Put simply, this layer references the physical components of the hardware used in networking and is the lowest layer that you will find. Devices use electrical signals to transfer data between each other in a binary number system, 1 and 0. For example, Ethernet cables connecting devices such as in the picture below. This is so funny. They have the small TryHackMe logo there. All right. Physical layer. What is the name of the numbering system between binary? It's a pretty cool system. It's fun to learn. No, it's fun to understand. It's not that fun to learn. You don't need it necessarily, but it's just something fun to learn. What else? In networking, there are a lot of things that you will learn from just the cable, because we are here to the physical layer. So there are a lot of things to learn about cables and how these things work and actually how they are wired. Yeah, that's in networking. I think I will also create videos for networking on this channel because I want to take the CCNA. So I think we'll learn together. We'll study together for networking also. All right, what is the name of the cables that are used to connect devices? Ethernet. Where are there? No, wait a second. That are used to connect devices. They are physical. Where is it? Ethernet cables. All right. Perfect.